Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. So today's video, after building our image, we are going to inspect the image and then also check if we have the collections that we need installed. So without wasting much time, I'll do Podman images. So we have our images here. So it's time to create our image from the repository. And then I'll give it build x / bin / bash. So I want to get into the terminal. Okay. So it seems I didn't get, let me see. Okay. Since I'm not doing something right. Let me use the image to see if it will work. It should work. Okay. Okay. I see where the error is coming from. So this should be the name rather. So another hyphen followed by the build. And as you can see, we are logged in. So let's check if Ansible is installed. Ansible -v. Yes, we have Ansible installed. Okay, I think I should use the version. As you can see, we have Ansible 2.13 installed over here. Let's check Ansible collection, Ansible Galaxy collection list. And we have these collections already installed with Ansible. We have Net Common. We have Juniper, because I'm very interested in Juniper. Juniper, that's fine. So we have all our collections installed. So that's fine. That means our image is pre-built, but we can do more. So in my next video, we are going to see how to add extra collections and dependencies to this image. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.